Your trading guru might be angry with me for sharing this particular information in the public. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you the complete mind map in order to succeed in trading in 2025. A lot of people, you might be having a bad year in trading. You might be struggling in trading. Might be making losses in trading, but I'm going to give you the perfect roadmap in order to succeed in the market. So my name is Arshad and welcome to AI Trading Community. So in this video, I will give you the complete roadmap. Without this, you will not be able to succeed in the market. Every successful trader, they focus on two metrics. The metric one is being the strategy, and the metric two is the mindset and risk planning. By combining both of this, they are able to get trading success. So if you don't have a proper strategy, if you don't have a proper mindset, or if you don't have a proper risk planning, and if you don't combine three of this, you are not going to succeed in trading. So trading is not just strategy. Trading is not just psychology. Trading is not just risk management. Trading is the combination of all of that. In order to succeed, you need to focus on all of these three things in order to succeed in the market. And I wish you a really, I wish you really best of luck for the year 2025. And I need you to make an impact in your trading. I need to help you to change your trading career in 2025. So I'm going to give you all this information. I'm going to provide you with the information so that you get so much value that you are able to succeed in trading and in 2025. So if you are someone who is running behind charts, if you are someone who is running behind new strategies, you need to understand that you will not be able to succeed in the market without having a proper plan. So in order to succeed, you need to have proper strategy in place, risk management, and trading psychology. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So I have divided this trading success into two sections, the metric one and metric two. In the metric one, it is mainly the chart area. Okay, it is mainly how we need to backtest, how we need to build a system, we need to find a strategy with an edge. And the metric two is mainly focused on the risk management and trading psychology. And this accounts for more than 70% of trading success. And this is rest of it is trading. Looking at charts. So you need to focus mainly on this. 70% of your focus will be on these things, and then rest of that will be on your charts or will be on your trading strategy. I hope that's clear for you. So I'm going to talk about metric two, which is mindset and risk planning. So there are two main components for metric two. The main two components are, like I told, it will be trading psychology and risk management. If you have proper trading psychology, but if you don't have a proper risk management, you are not going to succeed. But if you are having proper risk management and trading psychology, you are going to succeed. I'm going to quickly give you the brief idea. I'm not going to dive deep into it. Okay. So trading psychology, how you can improve it. There are many things which you can do in order to improve your psychology. You can start doing a repetitive task. Mainly you can focus on meditation, you can focus on daily workout. These are the things which is done by successful traders, which have generated more than crores of revenues or trading profits. So you can do daily meditation, daily workout, surround yourself with support, use AI to track. So what we did as a community is we use AI to combine everything. So we understand that in order to succeed in trading, we need to focus on risk management, trading psychology, and strategy. So what I did is we built an AI tool to track everything. So it understand that whether we are having a proper psychology, whether we are having a proper risk management plan, and the AI tool which we developed, which will also help us to understand whether our strategy is having an edge as well. So these are some of the problems. I'm not going to dive deep into it. You can read it yourself. Okay. So these are some of the other things which you can do. You can start journaling. You can use this meditation apps. So this, you can actually screenshot this screen and you can start implementing it. So what is an iron mindset? You can, if you are already doing this and still you are not able to succeed in trading, and if you need to further your trading psychology, you can focus on this. You can focus on daily affirmations, gratitude practice, visualizations, and these things work if you understand the trading game. These things work because trading is mainly a mindset game. It give you so much failure to you, but if you are having proper positive mindset, you will be able to succeed in market. Okay, so these are the things, and these are some of the solutions. You can read it out. I'm not going to dive deep into it. So there are over trading issue, revenge trading, fear of loss. Every these things are, if you are if you are having any of this problem, you need to understand that you are having a trading psychology problem. So I'm not going to dive deep into it. The second thing which you need to focus is on the risk management. Okay, so you need to focus on risk management, and if you are focusing on risk management, these are the things which you need to focus. And your risk win rate is really important. You need to understand your win rate, and your risk reward ratio is determined with the help of win rate. So like I told, our AI tool help us to find the best risk reward ratio which suits us based on my strategy. Okay, so this is the next thing which you can do. So you can also look at these examples. So but after understanding that, after understand this diagram, you need to understand that there are things which you need to focus, which is trading psychology and risk management. You need to focus on all of these things. So before you are entering to 2025, you need to sit, and you need to sit in silence and start making a plan for 2025. You need to start making a plan, like whether a complete plan on risk management and trading psychology. If you are having problem with your psychology, you need to look at the solution which I provided here, and you need to improve that. If you are having problem with your risk management, you need to focus on the things which I told about risk management, and you need to increase that. Okay, so these are the two things which you need to focus. After that, if you are able to succeed, and if you are really good at these things, only then you need to move here. Okay, and this is not the first thing which you need to do. The first thing which you need to do is focus on these things. So if this is right, like if you are doing proper meditation, if you are having a proper positive mindset towards trading, and if you understand that failure is the part of trading, and if you are already having a proper risk management, like whenever you are losing a particular amount which is already planned. Like if every of that aspect is right, like if that's not right, you need to work on that for 10 days, 15 days, and you need to get it right. And after then you need to move on to strategy. So focusing on strategy, you need to focus on strategy. So the first thing which you need to do is you need to have rules for everything. You need to have entry rule, you need to have exit rule, you need to have timing rule. So like if you are already trading in the market like maybe 1 to 2 years, and if you're not still able to succeed in the market, you need to back test. Like if you're using Zerodha, you can go to your console and download your trade book, and you can export it to Excel. You can use AI to analyze it, like we do in our community. You need to use that AI to analyze it, or you can do it yourself and find how much which is your best entry timing, which is the best setup you have traded in the last 2 years or maybe last 1 year, and find that best setup and screenshot it and keep it with you, so that in this year, in 2025, when that pattern repeats, you can actually trade in the market. So you need to have plans on entry rule, exit rule, and timing rule. You need to select your method. Basically, we trade with the institutional method. If we are trading with price action or indicator based, you need to understand that there are better methods to trade. But I'm not saying that price action doesn't work or indicator doesn't work. Everything works. Like if you are having a proper system in place, you need to trade with that system. If that system is giving you proper win rate, proper risk reward, then don't worry about it, and you need to skip all of that. So you need to back test your strategy. You need to also forward test it, and these are some of the things you can do. You can use TradingView in order to back test it. You can use MT5 also. So you need to also find what types of trader are you, scalping or day trader or swing trader or position trader. You need to understand that as well. So if you focus on all of this, you can succeed in the market. So if you are already trading in the market for more than 1 to 2 years, I need to tell you something. Like if you are already having a strategy, like within 2 years, you might be having a strategy. You might be still struggling. What you need to do is you need to focus on that one strategy which gave you the profitability in this 2 years. Like you don't need to switch between strategy, and just try to stick to one strategy for 1 month and see yourself whether it's working. If the strategy is not working, find whether there is a problem with your risk management or whether there is a problem with your trading psychology. So I'm telling that 2025 can be your year which help you to change your trading career if you understand all of these metrics. And thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow, and share with your friends. And I hope 2025 will be a great year for you. Thank you so much.